Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Revannath, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, good morning to all. So, during last lecture, we have started gear and gear strengths, a new unit, and that is from the section second. So, preliminary discussions on what is gear, then classification of gears, then geometry of motion, and various types of gears such as spur gear, helical gear, bevel gear, rack and pinion type gear that we have seen. Now, based on various aspects, we have made the classification. Now, next part, that is gear geometry. So I have told you to draw this diagram regarding the gear terminology. So I hope that everybody should have completed this diagram, or 2 minutes I will give more for this. Is it okay? So I have given directions to draw how you can draw this diagram. Swapnil, am I audible? Ajay, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. My voice is loud enough so that you can hear it properly. Somebody should respond. Revannath.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then I will start. Okay. So now let us see the gear nomenclature or various terms in gears. So I hope that you have drawn this figure in your notebook. Now let us see one by one. So I will start from this pitch circle, definition of the pitch circle. So this line indicates the pitch circle. Now what is this pitch circle? So first of all, we need to see its a definition. So again, to discuss, let us see this diagram, so it will have more clarity. So this dotted line is nothing but the pitch circle. Again, we need to check this first diagram so that you will understand what is the pitch circle. check this. Now, pitch circle is an imaginary circle which will give pure rolling action, and that is similar to the gear. Right? So what is pitch circle? It is an imaginary circle which by its pure rolling action would give the action similar to the gear. So that's why it is called as a pitch circle. हे pitch circle ची line आहे. This dash, then line, line. Now why I have shown this line diagram at the left hand side? So these are the friction wheels. What we have seen, if this A is going to rotate, this B will rotate in the opposite direction. It is going to rotate in the clockwise direction, it will rotate in the anti-clockwise direction. Here there is pure rolling action. What it indicates? No slipping is going to be takes place. तिथं स्लिपिंग असणार नाही. कधीपर्यंत? If this P is less than or equal to mu Rn. So that we have seen. मग इथं प्युअर रोलिंग ॲक्शन होते म्हणूनच when A rotates, B is going to rotate. मग हे सर्कलची बाउंड्री तुम्हाला दिसते काय ॲक्च्युअल गिअरमध्ये? We are not going to see this. That's why it is called as a imaginary circle. Now I will show animation related to this. Just you should check. So again we are going to see that. Now check this. So this is slide related to involute profile. But now for the pitch circle we need to understand what is the pitch circle. Now this line, so just I will mark first, then you can check. This is pitch circle. Pitch circle. Okay. Now you can check. This is the pitch circle, right? So pitch circle for this left hand side wheel, pitch circle for right hand side wheel, right? So this is imaginary one. We cannot predict its boundary on the gear, right? So that's why it is imaginary one. So once again I will add one more figure into this, so that whatever we have seen previously, this figure, okay, and I will add here check this. So very important definition you need to understand. This is the pitch circle. समजलं का स्वप्नील? रेवणनाथ?
Yes, sir.
हा समजलं का हे?
Yes, sir.
ॲनिमेशन आणि इमेज हे एकदम महत्त्वाची डेफिनेशन आहे, अँड इट विल बी हेल्पफुल वाईल डिझायनिंग द गिअर्स. सो दॅट्स वाय ॲनिमेशन प्लस 3-dimensional image. Now what you are observing here, so let us invest more time on the definition because it is important, it is required to clear the concept. Now this is the actual image of the gear, so we can't see this line, whatever red line I have drawn here, and that's why it is imaginary circle, which by its pure rolling action would give motion similar to or as like to the gear. That's why it is a pitch circle, right? Okay. Now next one, it is next we need to check this. Okay. So this we have seen this circle. Now next we are going to see definition of this addendum circle. So this is addendum circle. This is the addendum circle. Then this one is dedendum circle. Just see, I'm just pointing the cursor. So this circle is addendum and this one is dedendum. Now let us see these two just by observing the same animation. Okay, so here this is addendum and this is dedendum. Okay. Right? So now let us check this, what you are observing. With respect to this only, you should see this one wheel. This is again wheel number 1. Now check what you are observing. So this one is dedendum circle, this one is addendum circle. Only check this left side rotating gear. Okay, again I will show. This is okay, and for showing addendum I will take another color. Wait for 1 minute. Okay. Right. This is dedendum and this one is addendum. Okay, now check. So just by observing images on the left and animation on the right, you can understand what is addendum circle and what is dedendum circle. Now let us define these two circles. First we'll define this addendum circle. A circle drawn from the top of the teeth. Right? So whatever circle you are observing, this circle, right? So just it is passing through top of the teeth, and this circle we are going to call it as a addendum circle. Right? Again, what is dedendum circle? The circle passing through bottom of the teeth. And one more important word, that this circle is concentric with the pitch circle. So previously we have drawn pitch circle, so I will draw that also. This is the pitch circle. Okay, so this one is addendum, this is pitch, and this one is dedendum. So circle passing through top of the teeth, that is addendum circle, circle passing through bottom, which by pure rolling action would give the same motion similar to the gear, that is nothing but the pitch circle. So तीन डेफिनेशन लक्षात आले तुमच्या रेवन्नाथ.
Yes, sir.
हॅलो हॅलो
Yes, sir.
अजय. Okay. Then let us check next definition. Okay. So we have seen this addendum and the dedendum. Okay. Addendum circle and dedendum circle and the pitch circle. So three definitions we have seen. Now next one, addendum and the dedendum. Very simple definitions. Right. So let us see first definition, that is addendum. What is addendum? So just see this arrow from this point to this point. What it indicates? It indicates the radial distance. This dedendum indicates the radial distance. Now what is addendum? This is the pitch circle. This is pitch circle. I will write here P. This is addendum circle. I will write here A. And this is dedendum. So I will write this bottom as B. Okay. Sorry. I will write here this is A, this is D, and this is pitch circle, right? So a radial distance from this point to this point, this is the addendum, and radial distance from this bottom of the teeth to the pitch circle, that is nothing but the dedendum. So just for your understanding, I will draw straight line. Okay, this is addendum and this is dedendum. So this distance is known as addendum and this distance is known as dedendum. So radial distance from pitch circle to addendum circle is addendum. Radial distance from dedendum circle to the pitch circle, that is nothing but the dedendum. Only this word addendum and dedendum. Addenda or dedenda. So that is the short form. Okay. Again we can check in this figure. This is the dotted line which indicate the pitch circle. This dotted line indicate the addendum circle. Check this here. This is addendum circle. This is dedendum circle, and this is the radial distance from pitch circle to the addendum circle, and this dedendum to the pitch circle. Very simple definitions. लक्षात आले का? Okay. Again we can check in the animation as well. Okay. So whatever distance, this distance is nothing but dedendum, and this is nothing but the addendum. For this left side, this is dedendum and this one is the addendum. This is dedendum and this is addendum. दोन्ही will असणार आहेत व्हॅल्यू, राईट, फॉर लेफ्ट साइड as well as for the right side or gears which are in the mesh. Right? Okay. समजले का डेफिनेशन? समजले का डेफिनेशन? सिंपल आहेत. ओके. Am I audible? Am I audible? Revannath, am I audible?
Oh, yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Okay. Now we have seen piece circle, addendum circle, dedendum circle, then addendum and the dedendum. Okay. Now let us see what is this circular pitch. Let us see what is this circular pitch. हा इथला point बघा. This is the initial point. I have marked it with red, and this one is the final point. I have marked it with red, right? So this point, let us say it has a 1, and this point, let us see it as a 2. Again 1 and again 2. आता असं का केले मी, 1 आणि 2 पॉइंट, 1 आणि 2 पॉइंट हे पीच सर्कलवर आहेत आणि आपण ते टूथला दाखवलेत, राईट. नाउ व्हॉट इज सर्क्युलर पिच? सो डिस्टन्स ऑफ दिस पॉइंट 1, हा पॉइंट इथं आहे आणि दुसरा 1 पॉइंट कुठं आहे, इथं आहे. ह्या दोघांमधलं डिस्टन्स म्हणजे सर्क्युलर पिच, राईट. सो दॅट्स वाय 1, 1, 2 अँड 2. 2 आणि 2 सुद्धा काय आहे, सर्क्युलर पिच. सो आय विल राईट हिअर 1-1, 2-2. This is circular pitch. It is denoted by PC. So while writing the definition, I will tell this. Okay. So what is circular pitch? Distance of one point or the point on the circular, on the pitch circle from this referred 1 to the corresponding point on the next tooth. हा tooth वर एक पॉइंट आहे आणि दुसऱ्या tooth वर त्याच लोकेशनला एक नंबरचा पॉइंट आहे. सो इट इज डिस्टन्स मेजर्ड. हे काय, दिस वन इज द pitch circle. This is the pitch circle. Distance measured along the pitch circle for the point on one tooth to the corresponding point on next tooth. हा एक नंबरचा पॉइंट घेतलाय आपण ह्या टूथवर आणि करस्पॉन्डिंग पॉइंट दुसऱ्या टूथवर. आता इथे एकचं लोकेशन इथं आहे, तर परत एकचं लोकेशन ह्या टूथसाठी इथंच असणार आहे. अँड दॅट डिस्टन्स इज नथिंग बट द pitch circle. Sorry, that distance is nothing but the circular pitch. So distance of point on a tooth, on one tooth to the corresponding point on the next tooth. So this is 1 and this one is the 1. Again, if we are going to consider this is point 2, then corresponding point on the next tooth for this location will be here. इथे येणार आहे. That is nothing but the circular pitch. So distance of point on tooth to the corresponding point on the next tooth, that is nothing but the circular pitch. That is nothing but the circular pitch. आणि हे सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचं कुठला कन्सिडरेशन आहे? इट इज मेजर्ड अलॉंग दिस pitch circle. Now let us see another figure. This point to this point, this is circular pitch. Here it is shown by P. Now let us check the animation. Okay. So I will take this point and this point. Circular pitch measure करताना this is 1 and this is 1. आता ह्या केस मध्ये नीट लक्ष द्या. एक टूथ आणि हा दुसरा टूथ आहे. इथं लेफ्ट हँड साईडला किंवा बॉटमला ह्या फिगर प्रमाणे आपण इथं बॉटमला घेतलंय. एक नंबरचा पॉईंट आहे. तोच रेफर्ड पॉईंट कुठं असणार आहे? दुसऱ्या टूथवर इथं असणार आहे. अँड दॅट इज नथिंग बट द सर्क्युलर पिच. आता हे डेफिनेशन अतिशय इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. इट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. नाउ व्हॉट यू आर ऑब्झर्विंग हिअर, फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट to this point, it is nothing but circular pitch. And what you are observing, approximately two teeth, one tooth from this gear and one from this gear. दोघ सर्क्युलर पिच जेवढ्या डिस्टन्स मध्ये, एक टूथ इकडच्या गेअरचा आहे आणि दुसरा टूथ इकडच्या गेअरचा आहे. So this circular pitch is important while dealing with the contact ratio. आता contact ratio ची definition इथं सांगतो. Again we are going to check it. So what is contact ratio? Number of pairs of teeth in contact. Number of pairs of teeth in contact. इथंच का सांगतोय? Because we are just describing what is circular pitch. So distance of point on a tooth to the corresponding point on the next tooth, that is nothing but circular pitch. Now inside this circular pitch, what you are observing here, one tooth from this gear and one tooth from this gear, they are in contact, right? So whatever number of pairs of teeth in contact, that is nothing but contact ratio. म्हणजे to have power transmission from one shaft to the another, at least one pair of teeth should be in contact. And if one pair of teeth is in contact, then we can call it as a contact ratio of 1. आता एक पेक्षा जास्त असतो. का असतो एक पेक्षा जास्त? चेक करा इथं. सो जस्ट आय विल, हा पहिला पेअर झाला, परत त्याच्यातला कॉन्टॅक्ट सुटत चाललाय, परत दुसरा पेअर मेशिंग मध्ये येतोय. व्हॉट इट इंडिकेट्स, टू हॅव पॉवर ट्रान्समिशन देअर शुड बी रेशो मोर दॅन 1. एक पेअर पेक्षा जास्त पेअर कॉन्टॅक्ट मध्ये असणं गरजेचं आहे. आता का ते खरं होतं इथं चेक करा. हा एक पेअर कॉन्टॅक्ट मध्ये आहे आणि त्याच्यानंतर दुसरा पेअर कॉन्टॅक्ट मध्ये येतोय. म्हणजे पहिला पेअरचा कॉन्टॅक्ट संपत आला की दुसरा पेअर मेश होतोय. व्हॉट इट इंडिकेट्स, मोर दॅन वन पेअर ऑफ टीथ इज इन contact. That is nothing but the contact ratio. Because this circular pitch is related to the contact ratio. Again we are going to check that what is length of path of contact, arc of contact, and afterwards we are going to see the contact ratio. But here it is simple to describe, that's why I have additionally told this definition. समजलं का सर्क्युलर पिच म्हणजे काय आहे ते? अरुण समजलं? अरुण समजलं का? हॅलो, एम आय ऑडिबल? रेवन्नाथ समजलं का तुम्हाला? Okay, thank you. Okay, so we have seen this pitch circle, then addendum circle, dedendum circle, addendum, dedendum, then the circular pitch, right? Now let us see what is this tooth thickness and width of space, or sometime it is written as tooth space, not toothpaste, tooth space in some of the books. So tooth thickness, again it is related to this circular pitch. You can see addition of tooth thickness and width of space, that is nothing but the circular pitch. इथं लक्ष द्या. What is tooth thickness? Distance measured along pitch circle throughout this tooth, किंवा thickness of tooth along pitch circle, that is nothing but tooth thickness. Here distance, this is along pitch circle, so this circle is concentric with the center. So thickness of tooth along pitch circle, इथली थिकनेस नाही मेजर करायची किंवा इथली थिकनेस नाही मेजर करायची. That thickness should be measured along pitch circle, that is nothing but tooth thickness. And what is width of space? This is the first point, this one is the second point. Width of space along the pitch circle, इथं जो एवढं काय जागा राहिले, वॉट एव्हर स्पेस वी आर ऑब्झर्विंग, that width along pitch circle, that is nothing but width of space. So actually for this bit we are not having any numerical, but these definitions are important with respect to your oral examination and as well as MCQ type examination. So tooth thickness is thickness of tooth along pitch circle. Width of space is width of space along pitch circle, that is nothing but width of space and tooth thickness. That's simple definitions. Okay, now again for your understanding, just I will show that animation once again. Okay, check this. Okay, this is tooth thickness. This is tooth thickness. Okay, and this is width of space. This is width of, इथली जी स्पेस राहते, that is called as the width of space. Okay, आता इथं बघा परत, this is tooth thickness, left side image, tooth thickness, and this is width of space. फरक लक्षात ठेवा. ओके, समजलं का? समजलं? ओके. अजय, डेफिनेशन सिंपल आहेत, फक्त तुम्ही बघणं गरजेचं आहे. यू नीड टू सी द फिगर्स प्रॉपरली. ओके. प्रज्वल, समजलं का? प्रज्वल बागल, हॅलो. ओके. भोसले वैभव, आर यू देअर? भोसले वैभव, okay, only Revannath is replying all the times. Revannath, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so this is about the tooth thickness and width of space. Now let us see another definition. Okay, so instead of every time going for that slide, so I will put here that animation, so it will save our time. Okay. Okay. Okay, now it is simple. Okay, now it is simple to understand. Okay, so we have seen this tooth thickness and width of space. Now check next definition, this topland. So what is topland? Top of the tooth is nothing but the topland. The surface at the top of the tooth is known as topland. This definition will not be asked in oral also, because it is very simple. Then next definition we'll see about this face and the flank. So I will draw one more red line to differentiate these two parts on the gear tooth. Okay, so this is face. Okay, and I will choose another color to indicate the flank. Okay, and this is their separation, or again I will draw here. Okay, and for your understanding I will draw pitch circle. This is addendum circle and this one is dedendum circle. Right. So I request everybody to enlarge view so that you will understand. Okay, now what is face? So this is the pitch circle. Below whatever part, that is nothing but flank. This this is the flank, this is the flank, right? So whatever surface or the part of that tooth below this red line, that is nothing but the flank, and above this, that is nothing but the face. So here also we can check, this is face and this one is flank. कुठलेही कन्फ्युजन करून घेऊ नका. This is flank and this one is face. आता इकडे काय असणार आहे? This is face and this is flank. Opposite असणार आहे. Okay. Right? So this is gear number 1. Let us see. This is gear number 2. This is tooth on gear number 2 and this is tooth on gear number 1. Right? So this part we are going to call it as a flank, and this part or surface above the pitch surface circle, that is nothing but the face, and below the pitch circle, that is nothing but the flank. Now for example, if we are going to have, this is the pitch circle, so just I will draw एवढाच पार्ट काढलाय मी, राईट. तर हा काय असणार आहे तुमचा फ्लँक. इट समजून घ्या, दिस इज फ्लँक आणि इथून पिच सर्कल जात आहे असं. आणि आता जे वर जे मी ड्रॉ करणार आहे, दॅट इज नथिंग बट फेस. दॅट इज नथिंग बट फेस. सो टूथ कन्सिस्ट ऑफ flank and face, or it comparison of two part, one is flank and another one is face, right? So this surface, so give me a time of 1 minute. So this surface, whatever you are observing, just imagine and this you can say that this is eliminated. So for give me again 1 minute so that you will understand. Give me 1 minute. What you are observing here? this is flank, and above this we can have the face. Just I have tried. And this is nothing but face. समजलं का? So these are the two important parts of the tooth. समजलं का सगळ्यांना? ओके. तर हा पार्ट आहे फेस and this one is the flank. ओके. समजलं का सगळ्यांना? अजय, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So this is about face and the flank. Now next simple definition, that is bottom land. What is this bottom land? So whatever bottom of the tooth. Now here this is the bottom. थोडं समजून घ्या, इमॅजिन करा. This is the bottom of the tooth. Okay. Now next one we can check this fillet radius. This is remaining. What is this fillet radius? So one curve which connects this bottom of the tooth with the profile. Now before this I will draw one curve. This is the curve, or just okay, and this is bottom or circle drawn through the bottom of the tooth, that is dedendum circle. How to connect this? For that we require this curvature, one small curve, that is called as a fillet radius. That is called as a fillet radius. So here you can check this fillet radius. Here, right? So whatever curve which required to connect profile. Now this part we are going to call it as a tooth profile. Just I will show you another figure. Okay, now one minute. Okay, now see in this figure, this is profile of the tooth. हा एवढा कंपोनेंट इथला आणि इथला, हा झाला तुमचा प्रोफाईल अपलोड आणि हे बॉटम आहे.